guys, welcome back to my channel. So it was a long break after I posted my last video on YouTube. Had a little bit of work, so was on a schedule. So today is a normal Tuesday and I was pretty free and nothing to do of work. So yeah, ನೋಡ್ರಪ್ಪ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಮನೇಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಓದ್ಲಾ ಹೊಡೆಯೋದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಚೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಓದ್ಲಾ ಹೊಡೆಯೋದು ಅಂತ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಆಚೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಇವತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ನೋಡೋಣ. ರೈಡ್ ಅಂತೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬಬ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಐಕ್ಯ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಂತ ಅವರೇ ಕರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಇವತ್ತು. ನೋಡೋಣ ಮನೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆಯಾ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ರೀಸೆಂಟಾಗಿ ಬಂತು ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಂತ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 22nd of June and people are mad to go to Ikea. The hype ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. ನೋಡೋಣ, just go and give it a look. ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ Ikea. The wait was been long for the Ikea to come to Bangalore. So let's go see how it is. ಇವಾಗಂತೂ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ವೆದರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ 3 days. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬಿಸಿಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಲೈಟಾಗಿ ಬಿಸಿಲಿದೆ, ಲೈಟಾಗಿ ಮಳೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಇಟ್ ಡಸಂಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಮೋರ್ ಓವರ್. ದ ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಮೇಜಿಂಗ್. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಜುಲೈ ಸೂಪರಾಗಿದೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್. And before I sleep, the best was to read. Not a hell in the past, like the jacket. We mention peace, you know, peace. So weekday ಆಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ ರೋಡ್ಗಳು ಖಾಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಗಾಡಿ ಓಡಿಸ್ಬೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಕಿರಿಕಿರಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಾರ್ನ್ಗಳು, ಗಾಡಿ ಸೌಂಡ್ಗಳು ತಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕಾಗದೆ ಇರೋ ವಾಸನೆಗಳು. Very beautiful. The clouds are very much clear. The skies are clear. It's dark and it might pour any time. The condition is like that. So let's just stop here and make a route in the Google map to the Ikea store. First time going there, so the roads are not familiar. I've been told it's in Nagasandra. I don't know exactly where in Nagasandra, so it's better to follow the map. Yep, so it's showing us 12 kilometers and gracefully 28 minutes. So I can expect a bit of traffic ahead. Let's get going. That's everything going good and quick. Except for this freaking traffic, every time we are going to take on. Dorkunte Palya traffic. Endless relationship ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಬೇಗ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಫ್ರೀ ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಬೈಕ್ಗಳು ನಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ. ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಅಂತ. Okay, so now the drizzle has turned into proper rain. And yeah, we still continue riding. No change in plans. Because I know I can see a clear cloud patch over there. This rain is not gonna stay. It is only till that patch. Okay, see. Now here we don't have any rain. We literally don't have no droplets falling. From Bangalore hinge. ಮಳೆ ಬೇಕಾ ಮಳೆ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ, ಬೇಡವಾ ಈ ಥರ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. Stay in Bangalore. Bangalore is a beautiful place. Ikea is 160 meters. Oh, I think there's a lot of people even today at Ikea, because I see a lot of vehicles. And here we at Ikea Bengaluru. Oh, this is big, man. ತುಂಬಾ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿದೆ ಇದು. ಯಪ್ಪ. This is nice. Fantastic, actually. Whooping whoop. And yeah, they have a good parking facility also. Man, I like this. Some rev bombs. They have to go right here. And there we find the parking for our bikes. So ಇವತ್ತು weekday ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ Ikea ಖಾಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಖಾಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. I can see a bunch of vehicles here. I don't expect it to be empty though. It's nice. So let's go explore Ikea. So we are inside Ikea now, heading towards the entrance. And there is a lot of people who have even come today. The parking is almost full. Surprised to see it even on a weekdays, right? Right? No. Yes, so now we are leaving IKEA. Couldn't explore much of IKEA. IKEA is a very big place. It requires at least half a day. So yes, now we are exiting IKEA. The weather is quite pleasant, and yeah, found very much of useful things around in IKEA. But the time constraint is thing one thing, and you need a minimum of half day to explore the whole of IKEA from first floor to second floor. There's a lot and lot to explore inside. Every corner or every space has been nicely set up. There's no hassle. You can easily get through there. There are route maps. Yeah, so let's just stand here, click a selfie in front of IKEA, and yes, let's go on. And one selfie. Yeah, so let's move on. From here, I'll be heading straight to the home. So it was just a short and simple vlog. Uh, just because I was boring, just came to IKEA to explore, and for the first time, I've been here to see how it is. So yeah, take care, guys. See you in the next vlog. Till then, take care. See you. Bye bye. Hope everyone has having a good day and continue having a good day. So see you in the next vlog. Take care. Bye bye.